You see all these people online talking about passive income, algorithms, going viral, and it sounds complicated, or it sounds like luck. But here's what they're not telling you. It's not complicated. It's not magic. It's just this. Find something people actually need. Tell the right people about it. Do it again tomorrow. That's it. Math and repetition. 2 people see your offer. 1 might say yes. Do that 10 times. You've got 5 customers. Do it 100 times. You've got 50. The income doesn't come from one big break. It comes from showing up and doing the simple thing over and over. Most people quit before the math kicks in. So if you're looking for extra money in retirement, you don't need to crack some code. You don't need to go viral. You just need a simple offer, a way to reach people, and the guts to repeat it. That's the game. Want help with a system that actually works? Drop a comment or send me a message. Let's talk.